Something went wrong with Instagram Reels. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on what you can do if your Instagram Reels isn't working or it's showing something went wrong. First thing you can do is check your internet connection. If you can't watch Instagram Reels on your phone, there might be a problem with your internet connection, especially if you see the message couldn't refresh feed. You can try to reconnect to the network and check if this fixes the problem. Now, second thing you wanna do is make sure that your Instagram is updated to the latest version of the app. To do so, head over to the Play Store and there click or search for Instagram, and if your app isn't updated, update it. Well, if your app isn't updated, it will show update button instead of the open button that you can see on the screen right now. Update it to the latest version and this might fix your issue. Well, if this doesn't help, head over to the settings on your phone and go into apps and search for Instagram. Now, once here, go to storage and try clearing the cache. If this doesn't help, try clearing the data and log out and log in your ID too. Hope this will help you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.